In this video, we will see how the hackers managed to crack the passwords. Nowadays, in any website on the internet uses a hashing algorithm to store the passwords. The password as it is not stored in the database. These websites uses a hashing algorithms to encrypt and manage the passwords. How this technique works, how we can safeguard our passwords. In this video, I'll be going to discuss on these topics. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. There are many types of hashing algorithms like MD5, SHA1, SHA4, etc. As an example, say Amazon. While registering in it asks you to fill the information like name, mobile number, and email, and a password. The moment you click on the continue, this data is sent to the backend in the database. In the database, your information like name, mobile number, email, etc. is stored as it is. But what about the password? Well, these passwords are never be stored in the plain text manner. Here, the password is given as an input to the hashing algorithm, and the output is an encrypted form of the password. And this encrypted password is stored in the database. Now consider a situation in which a hacker hacks the database. Though he has all the values like name, email, etc., he will not able to log in into any account because the password here is encrypted. If the hackers try to log in using this encrypted password, he will not get an access. He'll only need to enter the plain password. The only possible way is to decrypt the hashed password and get back the plain password. But this is highly impossible because the hashing algorithms are a one-way function. So what now? This is the time where the strength of the passwords come into picture. If we use a simple password like test123, then the hacker will easily able to know the plain form of your password from the hacked password using something called rainbow tables. These tables contains the password hashes of plenty of common passwords along with their plain text format. There's a site called crackstation.net where the hacker will compare the hashed form to get the plain password. And if the password hash exists in the rainbow table, that means the password is successfully cracked. But what if the password is not found in the rainbow table? In that case, the rainbow tables are no use. So now comes brute force and dictionary attacks. In a brute force attack, each and every letters, numbers, symbols are converted into the hash forms and then compared with the password hash, which is to be cracked. In simple words, we take every possible combination of passwords, convert them into the hashed, and check whether it get matches or not. This method literally takes very much time to crack the password, provided your password should be strong, as simple passwords can be cracked easily by this method. Now, in the dictionary attack, the hacker has a text file contains lots of passwords. In this attack, the hacker writes a code which compares password hash to be cracked with the password hash of each and every string which exists in the text file called word list. And if any hash is matched, then that means the password cracking is successful. Nowadays, a new technique called salting is introduced to make a hacker very difficult to crack the passwords. In this technique, a specific combination of characters are inserted at the specific position of the plain text password before the hashing takes place. Every company has its own salting algorithm, which is a secret. For example, let's say Instagram's salting algorithm is to insert a string Q**M ampersand at the fourth character and at the end of the plain password. The password after salting is hashed and stored in the database, which eventually make the password more stronger. Now the hash string of a password before salting does not matches the hash string of the password after salting. Therefore, the techniques which we have discussed earlier fails here to crack the password unless and until the hacker comes to know the salting algorithms, which is kind of impossible. Hope this video was informative to you. Please like this video and subscribe this channel as it is free. And also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.